This is Handmade by Nivri, coming to you with another video today. Like I told you earlier in the week, I've done 2 videos already this week. My first video was a fabric haul. My second video was a pattern haul. And this is my last video in the series. Like I told you, if I would have did it all in one big video, the video would have been over an hour long. And so this probably will be a fairly long video because I have quite a few notions. So this right here is going to be my notion haul of everything that I purchased in the month of February. Okay, I purchased everything from either Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Amazon, or I got one thing from Joann's, and I got one thing off of Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with this video so we won't prolong the time any longer. Okay, first I'm going to start off with my Hobby Lobby haul. In Hobby Lobby, I caught a few sales from there. I caught a few items on clearance. So yeah, I'm going to get started. The first 2 things I ordered, or sorry, not ordered. The first 2 things I got are for my Cricut machine. Like I told you in my first video, I have a Cricut machine. I got it last year for Mother's Day. I have not opened it up yet. I don't know if it's just like a fear. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna crack that thing open real soon so I can go ahead and start making some projects. I have already bought a few things for it already, and once I get going into my start playing with my machine, working with my machine, then I will get more into depth of all of the tools and things that I have to go with my Cricut machine. Okay, this right here I caught on clearance. It's some Infusible Ink. It was like $4.50, $4.49. So I said I went on ahead and got that. It has a cute little design on there, and like I say, for that price, I mean I'm not wasting anything because this is regular 18 bucks, and it has 4 12 by 12 sheets in there. So for $4.50, I thought that was a great deal. And I also got some iron-on, smart iron-on. It's for the Cricut Joy machine, but I heard that you can use this in the same. I heard you can use the Cricut Joy materials in the Cricut Explorer 2. So I will see. I don't know if I have to buy a separate pad or mat or anything like that for it, but for $1.99, I said I'm not wasting any money, so I will be using this. Okay. My second thing I got is for my my shopping cart covers. Okay. As you know, I need some webbing or something for my buckle, so I got that. I got this on sale for $1 a yard, so I went on ahead and bought a couple of yards of that. And I got a couple of things of elastic because I need to put elastic in them, and I got these on sale. They're regular $2.30, so I got them for $1.15. I bought 2 of those just to go ahead and have them stocked. Try to keep extra elastic and extra webbing and different things like that, so once I get an order, I don't have to just worry about buying everything at one time. I already have some things on hand. So yeah, I bought a bunch of zippers. I'm not gonna go into each one of them, but if you know anything about Hobby Lobby, there's Sewology stuff go on sale all the time, and it goes on sale for 50% off. So I just stocked up on a bunch of different zippers. You know, you can never get enough zippers. I put zippers in my little totes, my little handbags, things like that. So, and I'm trying to work with zippers. I really try to stay away from them, but they're not hard to put in. So so yeah, I just went ahead and stocked up on some zippers. Got me a little wrist pin cushion because I'm always just finding pins and stuff around, and like I say, I have my niece here, so this will be easier way for me to just keep this on my wrist, and when I'm sewing I can just put my pin inside of here versus trying to find a container or something to put it in. So all of my pins and everything will be easily accessible. So yeah, I got this on sale as well, so it was just $1. It's regular $2, so I got it for $1. Okay, I got some little notions for like my little tote. Somebody had requested for me to make them a crossbody bag, so I was needing some little buckles and different things like that for the crossbody bag. But once I make the bag, I will post it on my Instagram page. Okay, I got some little buttons because I told you in my other video I'm going to make an Easter basket, and so the pattern that I have called for some buttons So I got these for $1.15. Caught these on sale. Just some little bitty flower shaped buttons. I'm gonna put these on my niece's Easter basket that I make, and I will be posting that real soon, probably closer to the middle of the month. So next week, probably before St. Patrick's Day, or maybe the day after St. Patrick's Day, I'll be posting like my Easter things. Okay, got some little ribbon. I cut the ribbon for 50% off, so this was $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. Just a little ribbon to go around the basket. And I got some ribbon for my shopping cart covers that I use to make my little, the carriers for them to go in. I got this little remnant bag of ribbon. It had a bunch of different pieces in there, and it says it has 15 assorted strips, 2 yards each. So, I mean, my little basket, I know it's not going to take 2 yards or whatever I decide to do. So I think I would probably do a lot of things with this, probably for my niece, because it has like a lot of little bright colors, little cute little girly things in there. So yeah, for $1, I couldn't pass that up. Okay, got some fusible fleece, something that I'm needing for a couple of the totes that I'm doing. Something just to give more of a padding, because one of them I'm going to actually quilt, so yeah, this would be perfect for that. Okay. And this right here, I've been looking at this for a while. It's a fabric cutter, and this will actually be, I've been looking at it for a while. Something to kind of keep my fabrics straighter, you know, when I make my totes, it'd be easier just to cut probably a bunch of multiple pieces instead of just, you know, using my scissors. And sometimes it gets off a little bit, kind of have like little curvy ends, and I want to just try to make sure that all of my squares that I cut are uniform and that they're straight. I'm going to try this out. I talked to the cashier. She said if I didn't like it, I can bring it back, just save my receipt. So I still have my receipt. I'm going to probably use this in the next couple of days, and I will post it, and I will post it on my Instagram channel, and I will let you know how it works. And last but not least, from Hobby Lobby, this is a cutting ruler. It's for Cricut. I bought it because it was on sale. It was $7. Probably going to do the same thing with the fabric cutter that I just bought, but I will see how this works. It says it's an 18-inch aluminum cutting ruler with stainless steel straight head. So yeah, it has a non-slip base grip work surface for safety and control. I mean, I probably can use this too with my rotary cutter that I have and cut fabric. So I will see which one worked the best, but I know I wouldn't take this one back for $7. I would just keep it because I would use it for something. If I don't use it for fabric, I know I can use it for paper, which I have a paper cutter too. But anyway, $7, I couldn't pass it up. It'll get used. Okay, so that's all of my Hobby Lobby haul. Next, I'm going to go into my Walmart haul. Actually, I just got some more zippers. These are just $1 every day at Walmart. And I got some more bubble wrap for my packing. I use this to like pack my jewelry in, just to make sure all of my jewelry and everything stays secure and safe in the process of being shipped out. So yeah, this is just 98 cents at Walmart. So yeah. Joann's haul. I got some heavy duty Wonder Under, because like I said, I'm doing the applique sweatshirts, and I was needing something that's more like just an iron-on that'll be a little bit more sturdy, because sometimes I notice that with the heat and bun, the edges kind of raise up. So I'm trying to see if I'm going to do them all with the Wonder Under or heat and bun and still stitch it down. I haven't decided yet. I haven't used this yet to see, but when I do, I will post this on my Instagram channel. So this is the heavy duty Wonder Under. It says it's great for use in thick and thin fabrics, apparel, quilting, embroidery, craft and home decor products. Double the adhesive of the original Wonder Under. So yeah, I want to see how this is going to work. Okay, I ordered these from Etsy. Get some mailers. These are actually 14 by 19, and they're actually They're deep, and I use these to ship off my shopping cart covers, because I will put them in the tote that I make for them, and then I will put them inside of here, and I'll put this inside of the box just to make sure everything is secure, you know, nothing gets wet. So yeah, I will put the shopping cart covers in here and then put them in a box for mailing. Okay. And last, this is I got these items from Amazon. I got a bunch of different pressure feet for my sewing machine, bunch of different types in there. I'm going to open them up and I'm going to try them out and see if they fit my machine. I have the Brother fashion, what is it? I have the Brother Project Runway machine, so hopefully that these will fit on there. So like I said, I hadn't opened them up yet, so I'm going to see how these will work on my sewing machine. Actually, a lot of them are for the hem, the different hems that you can get, like 1/4 inch hem, 1/2 inch hem, 5/8 inch hem. So a lot of these are feet for hemming. Something else I got for my Cricut machine. It's a 2 mats. It's the fabric grip mat. Like I said, these will also be great for when I do my appliques for my shirts. Just put this in there and I can be able to cut my fabric out with my Cricut machine versus hand cutting everything. So like I said, once I pop this Cricut machine open, I will see how it works and we'll go from there. And it says you can use it on cotton, polyester, denim, felt, canvas, bonded fabrics. So yeah, I think I will get some use out of this. Like I say, once I pop it, open the machine up, like I say, it will be real soon. And last for the haul, I got some more shipping labels. So yeah, eventually I'm going to get a thermal printer and everything like that, but I'm not that big right now, you know, that I'll be printing off a bunch of labels at a time. I mean, I probably maybe print 2 or 3 a week for, you know, for orders. So once I, you know, get more orders in, I will eventually invest in a thermal printer. But this right now is just for my standard printer. It comes with 20 shipping labels. You get 2 labels on each sheet. So I just print them off, put them in my just standard printer, print them off. And sometimes it depends on the size of my packing bag that I use. I will cut them down to fit, so it won't just have so much overlap on the bag. Because I use these for my Etsy, and I also use these for when I sell things off of Poshmark. So yeah, so they all use just the basic label. So yeah, I actually already opened these up because I ran out of my other ones. So yeah, this has already been used in the last week or so. So yeah, so like I said, this is a very quick video. Just a few of the things, not a few, I brought up quite a few things. Just some things that I purchased in the last month for, you know, just different projects and different things that I'm starting to work on. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have time, check out my other 2 videos, my fabric haul video, as well as my pattern haul video. And I'm going today to try to get a tripod for overhead, so when I start sewing some of these projects, I'm able to record them instead of having everything from a side angle and having everything I'm using, you know, just my phone and trying to hold my phone in my hand and, you know, do it. So I'm going to invest into another tripod to have, so I can be able to do some overhead sewing projects, so y'all can actually see everything, some in-depth, some steps on how I actually make some of the projects that I make. And when I begin to open up some of those patterns, I'll be able to share some of those projects with you guys, so y'all can see how I do a lot of the projects that I do. So as always, stay safe, stay stylish, and I will see you in the next one. God bless. Bye.